Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx. Excuse my subdued demeanor today. I have barely slept a good night since before Christmas. I don't know why, I just can't sleep. Anyway, that's why I'm ugh. For the next, I'm not even gonna put a time frame on this. For however long I do this, I'm gonna be listing numerous and wonderful organizations that you can donate to help all the devastation happening in Australia right now. There's a KOALA hospital, there's Red Cross, there's all these wonderful organizations you can help. There's firefighter foundations you can help, all this stuff. Please check my description boxes. There's all these great places. Pretty Pastel, please, has her own kind of GoFundMe. She lives in Australia. She's doing her own thing. Please find some way to help. Skip some makeup you're buying yourself, skip a palette, donate that money instead of buying that thing you wanted that week. Even if you can't donate money, share these organizations in your Facebook feed, in your Instagram, anywhere that you use your social media the most. Share those places and encourage other people to donate because this is absolutely our responsibility to help. We may not live there and are immediately affected by it, but it's part of our world and we are absolutely responsible for it. So if you can help in any way, you absolutely should. Sorry, I had to compose myself. I will leave those links for the next few weeks or indefinitely. If you can help in any way, please do. And if you can't, share those links on your social media, your Facebook, wherever, and encourage other people to help. So today we are doing our Battle of the Boxes. We have our BoxyCharm. All the information for these things, IPSY, BoxyCharm, will be in the description box as well. So this is for January. Happy New Year to everybody. The weight of this box is, sometimes I can find the weight on here and sometimes I can't. Yeah, I can't find the weight on here. All right, so the theme for this box, and spoiler, I did actually see one spoiler already and I think it's a Too Faced highlighter. Yeah, that's the first thing listed on here. It's the Too Faced Diamond Light highlighter. And I feel like I swatched one of these in Ulta before. I don't know if it was this one, but I feel like it was the original one that came out and it was opalescent, which I don't love. But this one is the Canary Diamond, which I'm assuming it's the yellow one, which maybe I'll like this one better, fingers crossed. And this retails for $36. I do like the packaging, I have to say. It is quite lovely. Ugh, it's gonna be too fucking dark. And it's pink, damn it. This will never work on me. Speaking of never working on me, I used my Jeffree Star face powder today and my face looks like shit. Once again, I'm not regretting putting it in my fails of last year. All right, the next up is the Wander Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. I do love blush, and this retails for $36 as well. Oh, okay, that's nice. It's more pink, but it's definitely something I would wear. Watch them. And the bronzer actually looks pretty good. It's warm, but doesn't look orange. All right, definitely something I'm gonna try in the upcoming Get Ready With Me video. Upcoming, I said that weird. Next is the mascara. I don't like these. The Grande. This is the Intense Thickening Mascara with Castor Oil. This retails for $25. Sealed. I don't know if I wanna open this either. I have 5 mascaras that I'm trying to use up. I really don't wanna open this. Oh, and this is Variation 2, this box, in case anybody wants to know. I might just save this and put this aside. Next is actually something I really wanted to try because I really like this Glow Moisturizer, Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Moisturizer. It smells amazing. It's very light though, so if you're really dry, it may not work for you. So I use it as a first moisturizer and then I cover it with a heavier moisturizer. This is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask and it's the small size. This retails for $22. I think the full size is closer to $50. Bouncy Breathable Sleeping Mask. It smooths and perfects skin overnight. Pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance boosting face mask formulated with Soothing amino acid rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore refining AHAs. Works while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. I will absolutely try this. And then the last thing in here is from Ace Beauty, and it's the Scarlet Dusk palette. I'm very drawn to their Oceanic, the teal and green palette that they have out, but I've seen mixed reviews for it, so I don't want to take the plunge. Actually, I'm back on my no buy because I have so much stuff to use that I've gotten like over Christmas, from Black Friday, and in the giveaway that I just won. So I'm not gonna be buying anything anytime soon. Oh, very pretty. Really, really pretty. These two shades and this one right here, I'm dying. Really nice. Okay, I'm pretty excited for this, and this retails for $35. All right, so I have two things that I'll be using in my Get Ready With Me video. I know I really should use all of them, but I don't wanna use something that I'm only gonna use once. I really don't think this is gonna work for me. I'll use this in the video though. I mean, I don't know, I'll decide. We'll see what I get in Ipsy. We'll see what I get in Ipsy and we'll see about this. Okay, so not the best of BoxyCharm, that's for sure. Not the worst, but not the best. And this theme for this box is breaking the ice. So Ipsy, balls in your court. I feel like this is a very Rachel from Friends hairdo, minus the pink part. All right, so we have our Ipsy, and just so you guys know, from now on, as soon as I'm done this video, I'm changing my currency, or the currency in which I get this Ipsy, to every other month. So from now on, when I do my Battle of the Boxes with BoxyCharm, I'll be getting my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, Box Plus, whatever, every other month. And then the months I don't get this, I'll be getting the Ipsy Ultimate. So I'll be getting an Ipsy box every month, but it'll be one month I'll get this, the next I'll get the Ultimate, then the next I'll get this, then the next the Ultimate. So I won't be getting 2 boxes of Ipsy every month. Does that make sense? I'll still be doing Battle of the Box every month, but one month it'll be with this, one month it'll be with the Ultimate. Because just too many boxes sometimes in one month. So anyway, so here we go for Ipsy's January box. I did go in and pick like the one thing, can't remember what it was. The theme for this month is clean slate. There are prices. What is my problem? Oh, look, another fucking eyeliner. I went and complained a million times to a million different people last month at Ipsy and said, I'm going to kill someone if they send me one more eyeliner. And they're like, no problem, we're not gonna send you any more eyeliners. Guess what I got? A Wingman waterproof micro liner. Oh, look what else I got. Masks. Guess what else says in my profile? I don't want fucking masks. This is okay. The Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Boost Serum. Fine, we could all use another serum. Also something I really like, but something we always get in here, the Honolulu Lip Treatment. I have a few of these, I really enjoy them. I'm actually just about out of my last one. Fine. The Nature's Cartel lipstick in Nostalgia, 90s Nostalgia. It's not a bad color, but it looks exactly like the shade Candy Bar that we got last month in that fluid liquid lipstick. Brown, awesome. And the bag. BoxyCharm, you win. Congratulations, you did it. World's best cup of coffee. God, I'm gonna fucking scream. Like, what the hell? And guess what? I'm gonna go back and fucking complain again. And everybody's like, well, why don't you just cancel? Because I do these Battle of the Box series on my channel for this reason. And if I cancel, I mean, this is the only other box that compares to BoxyCharm. It's their only competition. There's no other box in this price range with this kind of selection that compares to BoxyCharm. So, I mean, I don't really have a choice. Like, this is the only box I can compare this to. And even though BoxyCharm wasn't like Aces this month, it was better than, oh my God. It was definitely better than this box. So, yeah, that was it. Ipsy, what is your fucking problem? Why do you suck? These are going to giveaways. A black liner, I'll probably throw in a giveaway. I'm not opening another black liner. Like, this is ridiculous. A joke, a fucking joke. Literally, I'm going on there right now. Last time they were like, oh, let us make it up to you. Let us give you some points. Fuck your points, okay? Fuck your fucking points. Thank you so much for watching. And you know what? It's a shame because some of you people who've never watched my videos before are probably just so disgusted about me and my trash mouth. I'm usually a very nice person and I'm quite pleasant in real life. This makes me so angry. And I'm sure I'm not alone. If you're with me and you specifically go in and specify in your profile that you don't want certain things, what is the point of offering us a profile to customize if you're not going to listen? And then you have the balls to charge us for things. And you know what? I'm pretty sure they think that we can do whatever we want because we have only one other box to go to and it's BoxyCharm. So if we don't like BoxyCharm, we have no choice but to stay with them or not getting any subscription boxes at all because there's really no other boxes like the two of them. So Ipsy, I guess you're fucking evil geniuses, but you're also assholes. Thumbs down to you again this month. Anyway. What did you get in your Ipsy this month? Let me know in the box below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.